Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust power saving settings on PocketBook InkPad 3 Pro. To do this, we'll need to scroll down our notification bar like this. Now go to your settings and select saving power. Right here you can enable many different settings, first one being show battery percentage, and here you can turn it off and on, and also see it when battery is less than 15%. Now next option is battery percentage, and here you can actually see how much battery is left on your device in percent. Auto screen lock, you can turn it on and off, so if it's off then your device will never lock. If you choose to enable it, then there's 5 minutes or 10 minutes timeout. And power off after, here's many different options ranging between off, this way your tablet will never turn off, or between 10 to 48 hours, 10 minutes and 48 hours. And if you enable it, then if your tablet is idle, it will turn off automatically. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.